Sugar of milk in homeopathy. It is prepared from goat's milk. Goat milk contains protein, fat, lactose, mineral, salt, and water. First, skimming is done. Due to skimming, fat removed from the goat's milk. Then remain protein, water, mineral, salt, and lactose. Now, diluted HCl is added. This diluted HCl removes the solid portion, and this solid portion precipitate, and this precipitated protein is called carcinogen. Then this is filtered off. Now filtrate contains only carbohydrate. This filtrate is called whey, WHEY whey. This whey is acidic in nature. Now the lime is added. The pH of whey is adjusted to 6.2. This is heated in a vessel. Crystal of commercial lactose is formed. Then it is redissolved in purified water. Then animal charcoal is added to decolorize the solution. Then the solution is filtered and the filtrate is heated to get crystal of saclake. This saclake is called commercial lactose or commercial sugar of milk. For getting the best quality of sugar of milk, according to homeopathy, this commercial lactose is again purified by Staps process. The full name of Staps is John Ernst Stapp. In this process, 450 gram of commercial lactose is dissolved in 2 liters of boiling distilled water. The solution is filtered, then it is warmed, and in the filtrate 2 liters of absolute alcohol is added and in a tightly closed vessel kept for 4 days. Now crystal of saclake will be formed. This saclake is now washed with distilled water and pressed between filter paper to obtain purified crystal of saclake. This process is again repeated if required. Finally, pure sugar of milk is obtained. In this sugar of milk, the properties is physical property. In this physical property, it is milky white in color, it is odorless, it is hard and crystalline mass, it is sandy and gritty to touch, it is faintly sweet in taste, it is soluble in water, it is insoluble in alcohol. And chemical properties is molecular weight 360.3. Its solution is neutral to litmus paper. It may produce water of crystalline at 150 degrees centigrade. It is disaccharide. It is a disaccharide containing 1 unit of beta galactose and 1 unit of levogalactose. Use of the sugar of milk is for titration, as placebo, for dispensing, for preserving, for preparing tablets, for temporary diet to baby. And impurities is starch, cane sugar, acid, alum, copper, chloride, and PO4. Purity test is done: litmus test, iodine test, element test, copper test, and chloride and phosphorus radical test. Thanks.